Let's add a touch of humor and interactivity to our exploration of the carpet brush sweeper, your silent cleaning sidekick. The carpet brush sweeper isn't just any old broom, it's like a ninja with a brush on a secret mission to keep your floors spotless. It sneaks around your home, silently sweeping up dust and dirt like a pro spy, all while you enjoy a cleaner living space without the hassle of noisy vacuum cleaners. And let's talk about efficiency. This sweeper isn't your average sidekick, it's the flash of cleaning tools. It zooms across your floors at lightning speed, making your cleaning routine faster than a superhero changing into their costume. No more lengthy battles with dirt and dust. The carpet brush sweeper swoops in and saves the day. But that's not all. It's incredibly versatile, like a chameleon of the cleaning world. It can handle any terrain, from carpeted floors to hardwood or tile. You can take it on a cleaning adventure through your entire home, even outdoors on patios, and it won't break a sweat. Now let's talk comfort. The carpet brush sweeper comes with an ergonomic handle that's so comfortable to grip, you'll feel like you're holding a cloud. It's the perfect sidekick to your cleaning escapades, ensuring that your hands stay cozy while you tidy up your lair. And here's the best part, it's as low maintenance as a pet rock. No cords, no batteries, and definitely no complicated instructions. It's like the loyal dog that's always excited for a walk, always ready for action without any fuss. So, say goodbye to the days of wrestling with loud vacuum cleaners and brooms that create dust storms. Embrace the superhero of cleanliness, the carpet brush sweeper, and enjoy a cleaner home with a touch of humor and interactivity in your cleaning adventures. Consider leaving me a like and subscribing to the channel. It's all free. Thanks.